Kodhi nyime ni jakom mar komiti matayo yiero mag duond bura mag ODM e counties nyo chungo returning officer mar ka chung bura magem mondo kik land duoko mag yiero e gwengego eko. Charles Onguko nyo chopo e skul primar Mawagai e sa odhiambo e kinde ma apisa mag yiero neri kikre mar lando duoko mag yierogo kogoyo koko ni yierogo ne ok otim e yo makare. Onguko nose apisas go kuom timo yiero e yo ma aling'ling gima duond bura mar ODM ok opuodho kod yiene jokanyo 120 mondo go ombulu kolero ni mana ji 77 ema nopuodhi mar luto ombulu. En ywaruok magikone to nomiyo bag romo manokwako jolar kom ariyo.
In game, in the ODM elections, we will disqualify you from these elections. We will never allow you to participate in any ODM elections. So if you've brought in goons to try beat up anyone, just know your days in ODM are numbered. And we have those the powers to disqualify and submit a report to the National Elections Committee and the Central Management Committee on your actions and behaviors.
The exercise was being run by the PO for game and the RO for game and the clerk. The PO was calling names one by one as they were coming in. We have all the evidences in camera and in video. So when the counting finished, the RO did not read the results. So we were waiting for the RO to read the results, but we only realized that they had called members of the county election board. So when members of the county election board came here with their chair, with Mr. Onguko, and the secretary and another member, they stopped the arrow from reading the results. So we reached a stalemate. So we were called to agree. Then I was telling them, what are we agreeing? And already we've done an election.